Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel at hello dyan sa mga fans ni Ken or Philip. Philip Sison, gumagawa na talaga ng pangalan sa musika sa Japan, lalo na sa rock o sa pagiging rock star sa buong Asia at especially sa Japan dahil ito nga, siya pala ang cover boy at featured ng isang in-rock magazine sa Japan last year. O diba, isang malaking bagay ito dahil in-rock magazine sa Japan ay isang malaking luxurious at fancy magazine doon. At ito nga this year, si Ed Sheeran. O diba, kahileran niya si Ed Sheeran, si Phil Tuson last year. At saka ngayon naman ay si Ed Sheeran cover ng in-rock magazine in Japan. Congratulations Ken or Philip. At ito nakaka-proud ang detalye na last year lang pala. Last year, naging cover boy ng in-rock magazine Japan itong si Ken Sison. Samantalang this year lamang itong si Ed Sheeran.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.